Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, my name is Ree, and I'm a homeschooling mom that happens to also be a professional educator. I know I'm late with this, so please forgive me. I had some last minute errands that came up that I couldn't get out of, so I quickly completed them as fast as I could, and now I'm here with you. And so, with that, let's get to the giveaway. It is my first ever giveaway on the channel, and hopefully, this will not be my last one. I just want to say to all of you, thank you once again for all the love and support that you consistently give me and this channel. It really means a lot. Your efforts, nor the consistency that you present on the channel go unnoticed. You are also not taken for granted. Trust me, I love you guys. And I know that this is sacrificial of your time and your attention, but I truly, truly thank you guys that have trusted me with the opportunity to have you join me on this channel, on this journey, and it just means a lot, okay? So, on to the giveaway again. Our six recipients of the first ever giveaway on this channel were selected based on how active they were in the Are You Smarter Than a Homeschooler series. If they participated in at least five of our daily questions, then they were entered into the jar. And then I just randomly pulled six names. And so the following six people are the recipients of our first ever $50 gift cards. That's what each of you will receive. And the recipients are Noel, Mindy, Lonnie, Tarek, Valerie, and Kendra. Please forgive me if I mispronounced your names. Again, the recipients are Noel, Mindy, Lonnie, Tarek, Valerie, and Kendra. I didn't include any last names for obvious reasons. The good thing is there were no multiples of any names, so that was pretty helpful. So, again, if you are Noel, Mindy, Lonnie, Tarek, Valerie, or Kendra, congratulations. Please, guys, do me a huge favor and email me at the address listed in the description part of this video. When you email me, I need your email address if you would like your gift card sent to you electronically. Um, so if there's a specific email address that you'd prefer me to send your gift card to you electronically, please email me that email address. If you prefer to have your gift card mailed to you physically, then I need you to give me your mailing address that you would prefer used for the gift card that will be mailed to you. All right. And if you prefer it mailed, I will be sending that out for you to you first thing in the morning. Again, thank you all for participating in the Are You Smarter Than a Homeschooler series. I read your comments on the video uploaded this morning, and it appears there is an interest in continuing with the questions of the day. I hear you, and I promise to bring that back real soon. For now, please know that you are truly appreciated. I can't say that enough, but I truly am honored to have you as a member of our Blissful Connections family. And so, with that, I wish you all a day full of love, joy, and peace. See you soon.